Hey guys, I'm in Fuerteventura, just on this secluded beach, no one around, no shops, no apartments, no hotels, there's a few random secluded people on the beach. It's a nice walk along the coastline to get here. I'm in a place called Antigua. It's a couple of miles away from the airport, which you can see in the distance. There's lots of nature, lots of cliffs. Really beautiful place. The sea is ice cold. It's the Atlantic. It's not like the Atlantic which we were at in Agadir a few weeks ago. This is ice cold, but it's very refreshing, and once you get used to it, it's not too bad. There is a bigger beach which is a bit more commercial. It's geared towards tourists with the cove and no waves. It's very chilled and calm, the sea there, so it's a bit more easier to access. But here I just thought I'd come out for the day and share this beautiful spot with you. If you like nature, if you like tranquility, if you like being quiet, listening to the sounds of the waves, listening to the sea air without people around, just isolated in nature, then this is a beautiful spot. It's easily accessible. There's lots of paths along the coast, along the cliffs, which I'll walk you through a bit later. But for now, just take in the beauty of just being in the wild, just being rustic, natural, without any comforts, creature comforts, no seating, no loungers, no hawkers. Just a beautiful place to come, relax, unwind, put your towel down on the sand and enjoy the beautiful scenery. Just looking out at the sea, looking at the coastline. It's really magic, really wonderful. It's a nice place to get out to. It's really cheap to come out here on EasyJet or Ryanair. Accommodation is plentiful. The weather is 20 degrees. I've had Saturday and Sunday which were really great. Today's a bit overcast, but the sun is still out. It's still 20 degrees. So it's really good weather. Great getaway for the winter. And coming into the spring, just have a last gasp getaway. Get out, get away from wherever you are. If you live in a cold place, Germany, France, England, the UK, Great Britain, Scotland, Ireland, Wales, all the Nordic countries. If you need a bit of winter sun, then this is a fantastic place to come out to. It's not as built up as Tenerife. It's a bit more relaxed, a bit more chilled out. I'm going to take you up the coastline, see all the cliffs, see the sea, how strong the current is around here, and then hopefully the skies have cleared up a little bit more. You can see how sunny it gets. I think it's getting a bit sunnier now. We're approaching the afternoon. It's about 12:30, so about 2 o'clock the sun is really hot, at 23 degrees. Just enjoy being out in nature. Next month I'll be out in Portugal, in Lisbon, along the coast. There should be some nice places around there as well to explore and see. But for now, we're in Antigua, Fuerteventura, small island next to Tenerife and Gran Canaria, just off the coast of Africa. Be making a few more videos. I'll go into the main town, see all the touristy parts, a couple of other walks along the coastline. Oh, there's your man showing off all his beauty. No, that's the beauty of being on a secluded beach. You can get naked and no one's going to really say anything. Okay, I'll see you in a little while, guys. Hope you enjoy my video. Like it, subscribe to my channel, share it with other people, follow me. Look forward to more videos in the future. Okay, take it easy.